Hey guys, welcome to Tech Today. Today I'm going to show you something special. It's a 4000 rupees digital camera. So let's see how it works and is it worth to buy. So in the packaging we got the camera and a data cable or a charging cable. Okay, it's a mini USB. It's been a decade since I seen this one. So old and outdated. Okay, let's see how it looks. It says camera in the front and lens cap, and we have 16 megapixel and 16x digital zoom. It's completely Chinese made. It feels so light. It weighs less than my smartphone, but it has a solid grip to hold. So we have a shutter button here, the power button, zoom buttons, zoom in, zoom out. We have mode. We have to turn on the camera to test what mode actually do. And we have navigation button, so OK button is, I think it's a playback button. MAP menu and arrow up and down. Okay, it actually have a flash. Ta-da. Okay, let's have USB, mini USB connector. It has audio jack. We can use external mic for better audio quality, and we have a SD card slot. So this is the place where we have to put the batteries on. Okay, it doesn't come. What's wrong? No, maybe it is not the door for batteries. So where I have to put the batteries? Let's try to turn on the camera. Maybe it has some inbuilt batteries. Okay, it has this inbuilt battery. We have to put the memory card, SD card in. So let's put an SD card and try. I have an SD card and an SD card adapter. Let's put together and see. Let's turn on. Okay, We got the SD card. It's so black. Why it's not showing anything? Oh, I have to remove the camera cap first. Okay, there we go. It has a very cheap LCD screen. It have exposure or this thing, I don't know, and 16 megapixel. So it's actually in photo mode. So if you click on mode, it's on video now, and it says 1080. Maybe it records on 1080p resolution. And another one, we have the audio recorder. Okay, this is have a flash actually. Okay, flash is also working. So the lens is a digital zoom lens. Okay, 9.88 millimeters, aperture 5, video lens. I know it's gonna be bad, but let's see. Let's take some pictures and record some videos and see how bad it is. I'm done taking pictures and video, so let's see. So the computer says it is 4K. As you can see, it's 4032 by 4032. That means 4K. But this picture, not at all a 4K. It's just a software gimmick. So when we take a picture or for any file in general, there is a metadata. So metadata says it's for file type, file size, and the resolution. This picture, so we have the resolution, and it says 4K. But it's internally the software modifies the metadata to 4K, but it is not 4K. Maybe it's 320 by 320. So there is the video. This is the video and audio quality of 4,000 rupees digital camera. So as you can see, the video quality is terrible. The pictures are terrible. This looks like 400 rupees Chinese phone which have a visual camera in it, but that 400 rupees mobile phone can take good pictures than this 4,000 rupees camera. This camera is terrible, guys. I don't know why people are making this, and when the world people actually buy these things and use, it's just a piece of garbage. And thank you so much for watching, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you.